Facing the dreaded too many attempts message on Cash App can be frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to help you get back to seamless transactions. Generally, this issue resolves itself in one of two ways: waiting a specific period or reaching out to Cash App support directly. Let's break down both options. First, the waiting game. Cash App implements this security lockout to prevent unauthorized access. The exact duration varies, but a typical waiting period can range from a few minutes to up to 24 hours. During this time, avoid repeatedly trying to log in, as this might reset the lockout timer and prolong your wait. Give it some breathing room. If waiting isn't cutting it, or you're on a tight deadline, it's time to contact Cash App support. They can often manually reset your access or provide more specific guidance. To do this, open your Cash App, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and select support. From there, you can choose to chat with them or explore their help articles. When you contact support, clearly explain the too many attempts error you're encountering and any relevant details, like the last time you successfully logged in. Once your access is restored, consider reviewing your login credentials and ensuring you're using a strong, unique password to prevent future issues. And there you have it. By either patiently waiting or proactively contacting support, you can quickly resolve the too many attempts issue and get back to managing your money on Cash App securely.